Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Samaviya Sheikh and my school name is Scholar English School, and I am doing a science experiment. For this experiment I need salt, lemons and water. First I put water in both glasses. I put this lemon in this glass. See, the lemon is floating, not sinking, because the salt makes higher density and the lemon contains lower density and the density of water. That's why this is floating. Then in the other